Now I'm back. I'm back to the lab. Hey, what you say? It's Chef Bess, Bess Eats TV. We're glad to be coming back to y'all folks again. We took a little hiatus to make sure that we was bringing y'all the best quality food, recipes, and as well as the best quality video that we can bring to your family. I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do today. Tacos with my own little twist on it, okay? So, in this recipe, over here, this right here, is some game. So it's some deer meat. It's not no sausages, it's just fine chopped deer meat. It's ground up deer meat. This is really from the back strap. Okay, so we're getting the best of what it is. All right, so we have here, we have our tortilla shells. All right, this is gonna be one of the main ingredients of our tacos. Look over here, I have some fresh cilantro. I have some red bell peppers, some red onions, some green bell peppers. I have my onions. These are Vidalia onions. You know, I'm a down south boy, so these are Vidalia onions. Right here, I have some tomalitos. Anyway, they are green tomato. Right here, I have my jalapeno peppers, my brown sugar. Right here, I created my own taco seasoning. All right, so you know, I got my Sazon Goya. We have salt. I have 2 pats of butter right here. My little favorite, Archie picked this up for me. In her little spot is chili pepper, parsley, and garlic. All this is gonna come together, going in with the butter. Okay. This is already preheated, so it's already ready to go. This is gonna be a quick little meal. As you can do it at your own home. Do it certain things. Alright, so the butter's already melted. It's already good to go. Now we're going in with the Vidalia onions. Alright. Okay. Vidalia onions in. Let these saute for a few minutes. Alright. Saute down to the translucent. That means you can be able to see through them, okay? If you was here now, you can be able to smell it. It's sweet. Excuse me. Smell like old school. Where your grandma used to just fry your onions and rice. Well, in my household, that's what I wanted. Grandma, fry me some onions and rice. That'd be good. So now, if you look at them, they become translucent, right? So what we'll do now, come over here. Now it's time for the venison. Okay. This is a very tender and it's very lean. Okay. So now that this is going on, we'll go ahead and break it down. See how pretty that is, ladies and gentlemen? Best of both worlds. We're gonna go ahead and saute this down. It's not gonna take that long, no longer than about 10 minutes. We're gonna saute this down. Once we do this here, get all this here all cooked down real good. We're gonna go ahead with the other ingredients. What's gonna be next is gonna be a few more onions and my homemade taco seasoning. Alright? So if you look at the deer meat, it's coming. It's browning real good, okay? Browning real good. So now what we're gonna do is now, like I told y'all folks, I have my homemade taco seasoning, okay? Mind you, you don't have to have venison, no deer meat. You can do it with ground turkey, ground beef. You can actually take some veggie patties, ground them up, and make the same meal. So now we have brown sugar. I have like about an ounce of brown sugar. I'm gonna add it to this right here. Okay. See it? See it coming together? And it's caramelizing. Okay, one thing about venison, you know, you really got to put your foot into it to make it wake up that flavor into it. Again, like I said, we appreciate y'all folks for all the love and support. And we are almost at 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers means that we're reaching your homes. So I want to say, on behalf of Bess, my wife, we want to appreciate y'all folks. Helping us reach this little milestone. There's more to come. You know, in every little recipe, you know, myself, anybody can adjust whatever they want to do to their own recipe. Right? So here, Jimmy, browned up real good. Right? The brown sugar, the homemade taco mix is already in, taco seasoning is already in there. And I told you about the chili pepper, parsley, and garlic. So it's pretty cool. A little bit of this on this, and you can adjust this any way you want to. Right. To your flavor, your touch, however you want to, right? But in this venison, I have to do this. I got some Hennessy Black, all right? So here we go. Simmering down, cook all the way down. Right? So while this is simmering down, cooking down, we're gonna come over. About to come over here. Let this simmering down. We're gonna come over here now. And what we're gonna do? We're gonna make our own pico de gallo. Here, got some fresh cilantro. Okay, roughly chopped. Okay. Right here, we have some red bell peppers, coarsely chopped, green bell peppers, scallions, all cut up, roughly chopped, okay? So, mix this up real good. Right here, my jalapeno peppers, that's going in too. My tamalitos, going in too, right? So, mix this up real good, real fine. One thing about these ingredients that I'm putting into this little bowl, they carry their own weight. Pico de gallo, it is what it is. After you have all the ingredients, add a little lime to it and you're fine. But me, at home, I gotta have my little shredded lettuce. Roughly chopped. And my Roma tomatoes. Okay. Not minced, but just diced real good, okay? Okay. But the secret to this recipe is what? If anybody can tell me, I'm gonna let you know what it is in the recipe. Your lime juice. Okay? Your lime juice. Mix this all up real good. I gotta have one more piece. One more half of the lime. That's fine. Okay. All right. Mix it up some more. Some more. All right. 1 second. So, This goes good with everything. Y'all better believe me. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Just one flow. Alright. This is Bess's pico de gallo. Now, we got some sharp cheddar cheese. Okay? The tortillas just came out of the oven for steaming. Okay? Just put these down. Okay? Like I say, ground beef, ground turkey. For my vegetarian friends, even some ground up veggie patties, or I got the love for you, okay? So now, pico de gallo. Mix this up real good, okay? Get all that lime in there, all that lime. Okay, here we go. So, these are our venison tacos. So now, I'm gonna top it off. A little bit of sour cream. So, it's time to sit on down and see what the venison taco really is. I know what it is, but I'm gonna let Marky tell me exactly what it is. Father God bless this food. Thank you, Lord, for the day. Thank you, Lord, for family and friends. Thank you, Lord, for blessings. Please let me pray.
Amen.
All right, get to it. Show me what you got. Yeah, so I already hear it. I know what's going on. I hear what's happening.
Super fresh. All the veggies.
Mm-hmm. Tell me about the good meat though. That's what I need to know about.
It's seasoned really well. It is. I like it a lot.
Brown, man. Bess's TV, venison taco. Again, I say, thank you. YouTube Nation, we appreciate y'all good folks. Stay tuned. We're coming at you. Good night.
Thanks for watching.
But it's all worth it. Bess's TV, we love y'all. Y'all be good. Good night.